Kia has revealed an updated Sedona for 2019. Both the front and the rear have been restyled to give the Sedona a more modern, aggressive look. Kia also added new wheel options and a power sliding door button for added convenience on X, SX, and SXL models. Inside, the instrument cluster and center console both get a new look. The floor console gets a wireless charger and a sunglasses holder, and top trims get an electronic parking brake. To keep rear passengers occupied, the entertainment system has been updated, now offering two 10.1-inch touchscreens with smartphone mirroring capabilities. On the safety front, Kia expects the Sedona to earn the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's top safety pick designation. That's thanks to the addition of several driver assistance features such as forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot warning, and automatic emergency braking. Under the hood, the Sedona has dropped its 6-speed automatic transmission in favor of an 8-speed unit. The EPA rates the 2019 Sedona at 18.2421 mpg city highway combined, but the 2018 Sedona SX is rated slightly better at 18.2521 mpg.